Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to make a starting screen on Roblox Studio. So firstly, after you have opened Roblox Studios, head to My Games, then open up the game you want to add a starting screen into. So I'll just select this test game. Now let the game open properly. After the game has loaded properly, all you need to do is go to the toolbox section. Under the models tab, search for starting screen. Then hit enter. Now in here you will find a lot of starting screen scripts that you can use. I'll just select this one and click on OK. Now it says in here that put me in the starter GUI. So I'll just drag it and take it to the starter GUI, then release. So as you can see, it is currently in the starter GUI. By opening this script file, I can also edit it if I want. I can edit the frame color, the border color, and also if you go to the script, you can set it as you wish. So now we will head into the game by clicking on the play button from the home screen. Now you can see that there is a loading screen. After the loading, you have to click on the play button in order to move your character and get up with the game. So I'll just click on the play button. Now I am in the game and now I can play it. So that's how you can input a starting screen in your Roblox game. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.